Today I'm going to show you how I bedazzle my Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume. I'm going to start off with the top. I'm using the rose gold rhinestones in a size 5M. And I'm applying the rhinestones with a wax pencil and using B7000 glue. I'm only using this glue because I couldn't find my liquid fusion. But yes, I'm just going to go ahead and place the rhinestones in like a circular motion until it gets to the top. And it kind of makes a daisy, which is so cute and cool. And I'm going to do this for the rest of the other little daisies that's on the top here. For the smaller one, I did try to use like smaller filler stones to make it look, you know, cohesive. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with the front of this perfume. Now this one has like an ombre look. At the bottom it's kind of like a gold color. So that's why I'm using a rose gold, because I feel like it was the best thing to match it. And I'm using the honeycomb method. If you don't know, the honeycomb method is placing one rhinestone in between every 2 rhinestones to make a honeycomb pattern. The rhinestone that I'm using is a 5M, but right here I'm using a size 3M because I wanted Daisy and Marc Jacobs to stand out just a little bit. So when I'm doing the honeycomb method, you could do it any which way. You can do it from the side, diagonally, as long as you place one rhinestone in between every 2 rhinestones. The main stone I'm using is a 5M rhinestone, and this one is the clear transparent rhinestone without the AB coating. I love this rhinestone. I feel like with this project, there has been a new level of respect that I have for this rhinestone because it makes this bottle sparkle something beautiful. Like, it's breathtaking. And on top of that, I love Marc Jacobs. Like, he just doesn't know. This man knows how to create perfume, okay? If you haven't tried this, try it in a sample. Try any of the daisies. They're all amazing. But moving forward, I'm going to go ahead and do the side next. Now, you want to make sure you take like at least a 15-minute break in between bedazzling just to allow the glue to dry, because you are going to be touching like, you know, multiple surfaces around this perfume bottle. But here again, I'm using the honeycomb method, going up the side. I felt like this was a little challenging because it's kind of like curved. Not so much on the sides, but when we get towards the middle on the back, it curves in. But yeah, I'm just applying my rhinestones. And here is where the tricky part was. And I caught myself having to adjust the rhinestones almost every few minutes because it curves in the middle. So I am using some filler stones, not a lot, just maybe 10 of, you know, 4M or 3M. And I'm just going to keep applying my rhinestones to make the honeycomb pattern. And when you do your honeycomb pattern correctly, they always line up, which you can see here, which is what I was so proud of, because the way this bottle is shaped is kind of crazy. But this is how it turns out. I love the clear. And here I'm going in at the top. I was debating if I wanted to do the top. I know in the previous video I did with Ralph Lauren Romance. But I said, why not? And I'm glad I did it because it came out so beautiful. Like, oh my goodness. But yeah, this is how it looks. I'm just going to do one side. There is an area where the top has like a curve so that the top actually fits on. I was trying to avoid that at all costs. So I used a smaller stone around like that curve. And this is how it turned out. I'm obsessed with it. Let me know what you think about it, and let me know what you think I should bedazzle next. And of course, thank you for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more bedazzle content.